People, look at this man. Look at him on the porch. He said he's so hot, he's got to lay out there. Look at him open the window. Can you see him?
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So we really don't have much planned for today, but I just wanted to show you guys this because this is Outlaw's, I don't know, bush. Yeah. This is his container or his thing of bush. Yeah, so this morning he's making me some fever grass tea. And what are you having?
Medina.
Yeah, so let's have a look. He's having Medina, garlic, and ginger. I don't know, the steam is there, so I don't really see that. Yeah, so Medina, garlic, and ginger. That's his tea this morning.
I'm going to have this little Medina right now.
That's all the Medina you got left. You've had that a long time.
Good, so I should go.
Yeah.
Around the way I should go.
So he's not feeling 100% of lately. Yes, so in here, what have we got in here?
So we got Cersei right now.
Cersei.
Yeah. And we got mint.
Peppermint.
Yeah. Yes, now we have this way.
And fever grass.
Fever grass, and we call it lemongrass.
Yeah, we call it lemongrass. Yeah, fever grass. So this is what I'm having this morning,
right,
fever grass.
Yeah.
I love this stuff.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So fever grass, Cersei, and
peppermint.
And mint, yeah.
We don't know what we are talking about, you know, so yeah, run everything.
Yeah. Alright, here is my tea covered up. My fever grass.
Yeah.
It's just drawing at the moment. Yeah. So when that's done, I just sweeten it and I'm good to go.
It's my tea there now.
So yours is ready?
Yeah. So we did the tea.
So remember that's his ginger, Medina, and garlic.
Yes, so we're going to sweeten this with some honey.
Some honey, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to do this with some honey and all the piece. One spoon of onion, we're good enough. Good with that.
Okay.
You see this?
Let me see the honey. Is that one you bought?
This little bottle of honey. That little bottle of honey. $1,000.
Can you believe? Look at this, guys. This little bottle.
$1,000.
All natural honey.
Good honey, man. Really good honey. It's not mixed it straight. But
sometimes you buy it. You've got a friend that has bees, right?
Yeah, man.
And sometimes you buy the natural honey from him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And when I saw a friend, my friend is Matrix from Area FM.
Yeah.
Matrix from Area FM. Him, I get honey from. I have the only thing what road I want. Crazy bees. And this have no wasp, but I have Gulliver bees.
Guys, today we don't have anything special planned. We're actually off today. We're not working today. So we've got a bit of time off. We're in Ochi at the moment. Outlaw's just gone to do something. And yeah, we're just chilling. I'm just in Ochi. Just got a little bit of the craft market, as you would have seen. I didn't go in, but just got a little glimpse of from the outside. And we've just got a few little errands to run, a few little things to do. So it's just a spend the day with us, I guess. Yeah, kind of vlog day today. Hope you guys are all doing well. Yeah, that's it really. No. Guys, we're in Progressive Supermarket. This is what Outlaw really wants. This. And I'm not a fan of it, yeah? He wants smoked turkey neck. Guys, you know this? Smoked turkey. Do you know turkey neck? Anybody eating turkey neck? This is smoked turkey neck. This is what he wants. Look. So much for it? This is what he wants. Smoked turkey neck. But this is not what we're coming here for. Now Progressive's like one of the top supermarkets in Ochi. So I came in here for, oh man, guys, I came in for red herring, pickled mackerel, no red herring. This is, no, I came in for red herring but there isn't any. I don't want anything else. So I wanted red herring, and what was I going to make today for dinner?
Red herring and ackee.
It's my favourite.
Not this one.
No, we don't buy it in the tin.
You don't work for that?
No. Look how much for it as well. No sir.
I'll go with them.
But usually they do the red herring in here, and they do the one that's kind of prepared, so it's easier. But
We don't work with ackee. We don't work with ackee in a tin.
you have to if you're abroad though.
Nothing needed. Don't give me the ackee apart.
The people, you heard him. When Outlaw comes to foreign, don't give him the ackee out of a
We don't
tin.
want no ackee apart. Why you talk about the tin? Not the tin.
So yeah, no red herring. So that's a shame. I wanted to cook something else. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this is Progressive. Guys, in here for my UK people, they sell Waitrose stuff in here. Waitrose branded stuff. They sell Waitrose things in the supermarket. Yeah, different product, Waitrose products. Yeah, but no red herring, sir. It's not good for me. Hear the faciness of this man. Look what he's asking me if I want to eat. Oh, let me show you. What did you say? What did you say?
People will come up and get some red herring. I mean, can't find that.
So look what he's showing me if I want.
So, you have to say, nothing else you see?
Yeah, there's mackerel and saltfish and...
Yeah, so we have to, it's children on them joke there.
Look at this.
Serious joke.
Can you
Thing
see
named
it?
salt pork. Pigtail.
Can you see it? Pigtail.
No, sir.
I don't eat pork full stuff.
We're not gonna
pigtail,
that,
no.
I mean, I wonder if she switch, you know? I was just wondering. I was
Feisty.
just wondering if she switch.
Rude, innit? But ask me if I want this. You gonna make it?
What?
Pigtail.
I don't know if you know about something there.
You what?
I don't know if you cook them something. I don't know if you cook them.
You know when I'm on the road, I'm going to get a patty. Those of you who have been following us and you know me well, you know when I'm on the road, one more time, I'm going to get a juicy patty, chicken patty. I think Juicy needs to sponsor me, or they need to make me a brand ambassador or something, innit, babes?
Yeah.
Because I'm always eating juicy patties, like always. Yeah. They need to make me something in the company. Yeah. Put me as a face of juicy patties. Something like that. But you know I'm not leaving out my juicy patty. Yeah. Yeah. People, look at this man. Look at him on the porch. He said he's so hot, he's got to lay out there. Look at him, open the window. Can you see him? Let me go around. Let me go around and show you guys. He said he's hot and no, he's just hot and bothered. Haunted, he said. Look at him. Watch him. Can you see him?
I asked you for a toy.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you one. You hear these people? You hear him? You see him? You're cool right there. Pitch tent. You see him at the side of the house.
Yeah, people, some things set up. Let's find a cool shade of your wood. That's Jamaica.
So you find it. What do you call this? What do you call this? The side. What's this? The veranda and balcony. Watching his Nollywood movies. Watching his African movies.
Yes. Some of the still a million, you know. Yeah. She inside of the something from a quarter away too. She would have been, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the towel.
Please, and thank you.
Alright guys, see, somebody's out there relaxing. Guys, look at Mr. Outlaw now. He's just changed position. Watch him, watch him.
There's only one Republican left to face Republican primary voters who voted for impeachment. The biggest name,
Watch him, guys.
Cheney. Live coverage continues
See
past
him?
midnight Eastern.
Change position.
Close in Alaska. Then on Wednesday, Joe and Willie will discuss what the results could mean for November primary election coverage tomorrow night and Wednesday morning on MSNBC.
Can you hear him talking out there? He's talking to himself about the movie that he's watching. That's how he carries on. Whenever he watches a movie, he talks loud like it's real life. It's just a movie. You see back there. People, while Outlaw lies, I cook. Just started. Little curry chicken. It's not ready yet. A little white rice. Not ready yet. That's what he requested for today. That was Outlaw's request today, curry chicken and white rice. I wanted red herring, couldn't find that in the shop. So curry a chicken and white rice for me. Mr. Outlaw's still outside.
Religion, stupidity, demagoguery, censorship, bullying, and intimidation in the love column. Literature, irony, humor of the individual in the defense of free expression. That is what this man has meant to the literary community in the world for all these many years. And it is terrible what's happened to him, but also you must take some heart in the fact that it looks like...
Alright guys, it's dinner time, food time. Yeah.
Watching this one. Good like that. Like a porch chicken, you know? So this time for like.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, for like, share and subscribe, you know? I don't know what thing, man. Run away,
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.